Hey everybody, welcome back to Space Pickle Designs. Today I have a little unboxing here, and this is the GGC Treasure bag in the spring palette. So if you'd like to see what's in this box, just keep on watching. First up is a 16-inch strand of 6x5mm yellow faceted rondelle beads, and there's approximately 85 beads here. A nice bright yellow, perfect for the spring months coming. Next up is a 16-inch strand of 4x3mm faceted rondelle beads, and there's approximately 125 beads on this strand. Here's what it looks like with the yellow. It's a nice light pink. Next, I have a 16-inch strand of 8x5 clear opal faceted rondelle beads. These are super sparkly and super pretty. Next, I have a 16-inch strand, 4mm round, colorful, translucent crackle beads. These are really nice, ties in all those pastel colors in the box. In my hand here is a 16-inch strand of 6.5 by 3.5 colorful crackle glass cuboid beads. There's approximately 60 beads. These look really good, the crackle glass. Lots of nice detailing on the beads there. This is a 15-inch strand of golden foil pink painted glass beads, and there's approximately 65 beads. It's a long strand. All these strands are full strands, and you can actually feel like the crackle on top of that bead there. Now this is a 20-inch strand, so this is giant. And this is a 5mm round mint pentagon faceted bead, and these are super pretty. They're gonna look so good with these. Lots of sparkle in this box. Okay, so this is a 27-inch strand of 12x4mm pale lavender bicone beads, and there's approximately 60 beads. And I mean, look, I'm gonna zoom out. Like, look how many you get. This is my whole bead mat here. You get so many beads, especially like really cool, like different shaped beads. And these are just so nice and pretty. Those look so nice. This is a 16-inch strand of 4x3mm blue turquoise rondelle beads, and there's approximately 123 beads. Again, a very long strand here. And nice little tiny beads to go along with the box. I like getting the smaller beads so that you can bead weave if you want to. This is a 16-inch strand, 6x4mm blue turquoise faceted drop beads, and there's approximately 66 beads on here. Those are nice and pretty. Nice spring blue. Next up is a 15-inch strand, 4mm round imitation jade half peach, approximately 100 beads here. It's a real good amount. And those are super pretty. It's a nice little neutral pop for this pastel box. These beauties are 15 10mm polyhedron crystals, 3 each of blue, pink, lavender, yellow, and rosaline. And those really give a nice sparkle. And I love that blue. It almost glows. Doesn't look like any like special AB coatings on these, but they're a nice, clear, very sparkly crystal. A nice focal. Love these. I think these are my favorite so far, but this is 5 19x8mm electroplated yellow-green faceted rice crystal beads. And, ooh, look at that green. That is so pretty. And I love this bag in particular because of, like I said, a lot of different shapes, and you're not just getting round, smooth beads. You can actually do a lot with this box. Just look at those. Ooh, so pretty. Another unique bead here, we got 10 11 by 8 millimeter electroplated white glass with colorful flower barrel beads. So I don't know if you can see the finish, but it's pinks and golds and greens and turquoise and oranges, just depending on the side of the bead. So those are really, really cute. Okay, so I think these cool guys are the 11 by 8 millimeter electroplated metallic golden orchard glass barrel beads. And those are super cool. It says that there were supposed to be 8, but I did only receive 7 here, but they're very beautiful. Next are these painted glass butterfly beads, 5 turquoise and 5 hot pink. And these have got like a little golden splatter on them, if you can see that. So 5 of each. Next up are these butterfly charms. You get one in a solid color, and it looks like I got like a topaz, which is right up my alley, and then one in a two-tone. Over here, this one's super sparkly. But these are cute little spring pendants that we can definitely use. Next, we have 4 enameled golden alloy butterfly pendants. And we've got 2 in a turquoise and dark blue, and then we got a pink and a purple here. Nice little loop here on the top to attach them to some earrings or whatever you'd like to make with them. And here's the back. Next, we have 2 faceted glass pendants, and one is in a pink and one is in blue turquoise, and this is 32 by 8 by 4 millimeters, and these are super pretty. Definitely can use those with those. Perfect. Okay, look how sweet and look how cute she is. So this is an 18 karat gold plated brass faceted pink glass flower pendant, and this is 16 by 14 by 3.5. And that is so pretty. It's so sweet. So cute. Okay, these are super cute too. This is a 17 by 10 by 3.5 faceted glass and brass purple and green flower charms. So just look how just adorable those are. And they look really good in person too. You know, sometimes like more affordable, like little charms like this can look, you know, kind of cheap, but these look really, really nice. And I especially love those green little leaves. They're so cute. Next item is 16 by 13 by 3 millimeter enameled golden tone alloy flower charms, and it looks like we got 2 of each color. It's got like a light pink beige, a light blue, and a nice light violet. And they're very well made. They look very nice. And this gold is a really pleasing gold color here. Next are 5 18 karat gold plated brass bead cones, and these are 21.5 by 7 by 6 millimeters. And that just reminds me of like, this could be like a flower vase, you know. They're so cute. A very nice gold color. Next, we have 7 of these 31 by 13 by 2 millimeter golden tone alloy infinity links. And as you can see, there's like a slight curve to them, but you get a lot of them. Those are a nice little addition. Ooh, we're gonna have to play with these. Next item is 5 sets of, look, golden tone alloy toggle clasps, and these are 21 by 26 by 2 ring and a 37 by 2 millimeter bar, and these are quite substantial. And you get 5 of them. So you can definitely make tons of jewelry with this bag. And these are definitely a brighter gold, but they're not like that cheesy yellow that I was having trouble matching in the bargain bead box. So this will definitely be easier to match with other findings. Next, you get 2 of these multi-strand golden tone alloy leaf bar components. And these are cute. It's just one-sided, but it's still gonna make a nice addition for either a multi-strand bracelet maybe, or even a necklace. Here we have 2 35 by 24 by 2 millimeter golden alloy flower squirrel chandelier components. And these are pretty unique. I haven't seen anything like this. And they match the gold in the toggles and the infinity links. So these will be super fun to make. It kind of reminds me of like the 2005 to 2010 era, like super ornate chandelier earring stage, which I'm all here for. I'm here for it. Then last but not least, we got 1 yard of 3 by 5 by 0.8 millimeter golden tone iron twisted curb chain. And yep, we get a whole yard. So we're gonna be able to match our components with this chain. So we're gonna be able to use it in our designs, and it's just gonna be so much fun. I have so many ideas already. Okay, so holy guacamole, here you have it. This is the GGC's Treasure bag in spring palette, and when I saw this, I was like, okay, yes, definitely have to get it. Her bags are always such a good value for the price. It's just tricky getting them because they sell out pretty fast. But I'm sure that you can I think you can sign up for email notifications when they go live, and she also puts a video out before they go live on her website. So I will link her channel down below, and let me know what you'd like me to make with this box, and I'll go ahead and make a tutorial for you. What was your favorite piece out of this box? I think mine, still, these breathtaking like bicone barrel beads. I just love these. These are so cool. I think that's my favorite, but everything in here is great. So I'm just excited to play with this. But yep, I hope you guys are staying safe and well, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.